this is EB with Design Tips. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to use a brush metal effect in Photoshop. This is very easy and simple to do with just a few steps. This is the brush metal effect I'm talking about here, and I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Alright, so as you see here, I have a project already open in Photoshop, so I'll go open up a new one, and this is fine. I'm just going to call it Brush Metal Demo. Doesn't matter really what size, whatever size project you're working on. Well, first thing you want to make a fill. Okay, so you can go ahead and do your paint bucket tool, and you want to select the dark gray. Now don't make it black, just make it kind of a darkish gray. That looks good right there. And then just do a quick paint fill. Now you're going to keep this same layer, and then go ahead and add some noise. So you want to go to Filter, Noise, Add Noise. Okay. Now you can use noise here, and about between 19 to 25 is usually about what I like to play with when it comes to noise. So I'm gonna stay with about 21. That looks good right there. About 19, 21, somewhere around there. And you'll make sure that it's uniform and monochromic. Go ahead and click OK. And now we have the static effect. And now what we're going to do is, once you have the static effect, you want to stretch that static to get the brush metal effect. To do this, you want to go to Filter, Blur, and then Motion Blur. Alright? Once you've gone into Motion Blur, you can see it's already got that brush metal look to it. So we're almost done. Okay? You can use a 45-degree angle, or you can go straight across. Just put in 0, whatever you guys want to see. So I'm going to go ahead and do 45. And your distance, you want to keep your distance right around 50 to 60, so right around here. So I'm going to go ahead and lower that just a bit. I'm just going to use 51, that's fine. And just press OK. Alright? Now as you see around the edges, we get kind of a nasty, jagged look to it, and we don't want that. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do a quick crop feature here. So you can go ahead and use your square select tool. It's actually called rectangle margin tool, and just crop inside here until where you don't see that nasty edge around it. Let go, and then hit Command T for transform, and then just drag out. And as you see, it gets nasty, that little lip around it that did not look very well. Okay, so go ahead and hit Enter, and to get rid of the marching ants, just hit Command D for deselect. Now we're almost done, guys. Now we have to add some lighting. Okay, so what you want to do is go to Filter, Render, and go to Lighting Effects. Okay, once you have here, it should be set as default, and default is perfect. The only thing you might want to play with is to turn this around, personal preference, however you want to angle this and squeeze it together. That looks fine right there. So we're going to leave it as that and just press OK. Make sure your settings are just like mine. And there you have the effect, guys. Okay, that was very easy and very fast. Okay, now if you want to add some stuff like this, some text, gears, actual reflection, maybe some screws on the side to make it that metal look, and then of course some gears behind it to add to it. Alright guys, this has been a quick Photoshop tutorial on how to add that brush metal look in your background as a texture. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Peace.